Kaunti ya Bungoma, Kisii, Meru na Nairobi nikuo gugwakwo ceceni nene cia ithimi cia thakame na kuhingithia ceceni 10 nene kuona kwa ihinda riri kuri na ceceni 3 tu. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri thiini wa ruhonge rwa motungata ma muingi Hari Kimtai, ceceni ici ni guteithiriria kuhuthia wira na kunyihia ihinda ria motungata kuri muingi.
This expansion will not only increase our capacity but also enhance the turnaround time for testing blood, thereby ensuring the timely provision of safe and quality blood to those in need.
Thiini wa ndumiriri yake iri rathumirwo ni afitha kuma wabici ino Elias Wambua hindi ya mihango ya uheani wa thakame University-ini ya Mount Kenya kuruta wira uria kwagiriire ceceni-ini ici.
This initiative will involve equipping, setting up collection points and training personnel to operate these centers effectively.
Oho akiuga thirikari iri mihango-ini ya guthondeka mawatho na mitaratara iri fatie kurumirirwo unganini na utukania wa thakame iri racokanirio kuma kuri a Kenya.
Standards of quality of blood and safety, the 6 regional blood transfusion centers RBTC have reference laboratories. These state-of-the-art facilities are responsible for conducting all necessary testing and screening procedures on collecting blood. By standardizing this critical aspect of the process, we can guarantee the safety of the blood supply.
Maya mothe matanyitwo kuhuthia mitaratara ya motungata na gutigirira arwaru ni maramukira uteithio na hinya o ta uria kwahoteka ona kuhanura uguo a Kenya magithingatwo guthie na mbere kuheana thakame.
When you donate and you give blood, you give life. And what better way of celebrating today's Valentine's Day than by just giving a unit of blood?
Our target this year is 500,000 units of blood, and we are on course. Actually, we are now past 50%. And this month of Valentine, we are targeting to raise 40,000 units of blood. And that will go a long way to make sure that we reach our target of 500,000 units of blood.
Hadwini Kameme TV, Jitagugina wa Waduro.